Lawsuit filed by 4 electricians claiming to have suffered brain injuries after a work accident aboard an oil rig.
Yeah, Action Force Valeria Ponte was at the courthouse today, and she's live in the studio with more. Valeria.
Marcy and Ryan jurors heard opening arguments in a multi-million-dollar lawsuit. Attorneys argue that 4 men were in their 20s but left with permanent brain injuries that will only get worse with age. Defense attorneys say they have their own medical expert to dispute those claims. Jody Mask, the attorney for the 4 electricians, says the accident happened on an oil rig at the port of Brownsville back on April 2012. He says there was no warning siren that cylinders loaded with carbon dioxide would go off and flood the room they were working in with carbon dioxide. He claims those are issues that fire and safety specialists, Noble Drilling Services, and Keppel Amphels all knew about for years. The 4 electricians were working on the engine room of the Sam Noble oil rig when the room, in a matter of seconds, started filling up with carbon dioxide coming out of the cylinders. The men were found unconscious and convulsing, but defense attorney John Davis called it a freak accident that could have been dangerous. But Davis says 2 of the men are back to work. Their medical experts say the symptoms the men claim do not match those for brain injured by a lack of oxygen. Davis says the defense will call doctors to the stand to determine if incidents like this could cause permanent brain damage. Trial is expected to last 2 to 4 weeks before Judge Oscar Garcia in the 357th State District Court. Live in the studio, Valeria Ponte, Action 4 News.